Recently, Anthropic came out with Claude Design. As you can see here, through Claude's Twitter post, you're able to make prototypes, slides, and one-pagers generated through AI with Claude Design. On top of this, Claude Design permits you to hand off your design to Claude Code that allow your prototype to come to life. Just navigating through X over the last few days, you can really see what people are building and how amazing it is with Claude Design. One developer mixed Claude Design and Claude Opus to make this beautiful website. While some people are using Claude Design to design their new websites, some people are shareholders of Figma and they aren't as happy. As you can see here, Figma stock is rapidly declining. One X user here, as you can see, is suggesting the idea of AI slowly controlling all sectors. Initially, Claude Code, co-working, where it can control your computer, design, and they're suggesting potentially marketing, sales, finance, HR in the future. Only time will tell. Now, enough about speculation. Let's actually use Claude Design and see what we can build. As you can see, we are on Claude Design right now. And as you can see, we have prototypes, we have slide decks, templates. We're going to pick prototype. So we're going to build a prototype, and the prototype is going to be a banking application. So we have the option to do either a wireframe or high fidelity. In my case, I'm going to do a high fidelity design. It is very infrequent now for UI UX designers to build wireframes, and typically with AI being so accessible, high fidelity is more commonly asked for. Now that we're good, we're going to create. As you can see now, we are on the Claude Design platform. As you can see, we can implement context. We have the design system that we can upload here. We can upload screenshots of influence and how we want it to look. You can attach a code base through GitHub, or you can drag a Figma file as well. So what we're going to do here is we're going to ask it to please build me a banking application, wealth simple influenced. I want this to be a web application, simple, minimalistic. Less is more. Perfect. So now we have a simple prompt. We are going to send this prompt in. As you can see, initially, it's giving us a to-do list that it's going to go through. So we are back. As you can see, Claude Design actually went through, developed 4 screens. It developed the home screen, an account screen, an activity screen, and an invest screen. As you can see here, we have those tabs. We can interact with them. Now, it's really important to keep in mind that these mockups will not act like the real application. There's no API calls being done. It's simply just a mockup. So now let's explore the banking application we generated. First off, pardon me for moving myself, but first off, as you can see here, we have tweaks. We have accent colors that we can change. As you can see, the graph changes colors. You can show sense if you want to keep it minimalistic or not. So these are just toggleables. And then we have the dark mode as well. We have buttons here, send, transfer, deposit. The design itself looks very good, especially for our first iteration. We can go deeper into our accounts, our activity, and our investments. Now, let's explore some of the features that Claude Design provides us. My favorite personal feature currently is the ability to comment on specific elements. So as you can see here, I've clicked on element, and I'm going to click on the graph. I want a minimum and maximum number showcased to show me where I am within my graph. So I'm basically suggesting here that at the bottom and at the top, I want a number just to give me an idea of what range this graph is showcasing. I'm going to send this to Claude and see how it manages it. I still don't think this looks very good because the proximity of dates is very close to the minimum on the graph. So I'm actually going to provide another comment. I'm going to click on the comment section again. Can we move the 1 month, 3 month, and so on to be central? I find the min and max numbers are clogged. So again, as you can see here, we've given it a comment and we've submitted it, and we're going to see what Claude Design comes up with. Sweet. So I'm going to reload for the new version. Great. So as you can see now, we have the months centered. We have the minimum and the maximum. I don't think the design is amazing by any means, but it's a great start. Some of the other features I find really cool are I like the ability to draw. I could see this being really useful if you're collaborating with other UI UX designers, marking up your current designs. Now, what I think you guys are most curious about is integrating this into Claude Code. And to do such, all you need to do is click share and hand off to Claude Code. Personally, I would prefer to send it to the local coding agent. So what you do is you just copy this command and then you just upload the command in your terminal for the project you're working on. Alternatively, you could download the zip file here, where you are provided the button to provide the zip file, where you can just upload this into your project. So this is Claude Design. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with it. I think it's a great starting point, way better than Figma Make and Google Stitch. I definitely have some feedback for it. I think the design itself could use some work. It absolutely rips through tokens. Leveraging LLMs to build your UI UX experience can become a dependency, where you may rely on the infrastructure of AI. And when compute costs more in the future, you may be in a tough spot. Anyways, take care, guys. All the best. Peace.